Hi guys and welcome to TechBased. In this video we're going to talk about the latest Windows 11 Insider preview build for the dev channel, which is the build 23471. This is a build that has a few interesting new additions to the Windows 11 operating system, so of course if you want to see what's new in this build, watch this video until the end. If you enjoy videos like these in which we talk about different Windows 11 Insider preview builds, please don't forget to leave a like below and also subscribe to the TechBased channel with the notification bell activated so that you won't miss any future uploads like this one. So let's begin with the video. First of all, in this build we have a new feature regarding the File Explorer gallery, and that is a new button which says Add Phone Photos in the address bar of the File Explorer's gallery. This button will help with setting up your PC to be ready to show your phone's photos inside the gallery, and clicking this button right now will open a URL with a QR code that you can scan with your phone to get started. I think that is pretty interesting. Let's click on it, Add Phone Photos, and we will be redirected to the Microsoft Edge or our default browser, and we will get this QR code which will basically help us install the OneDrive mobile app. I think this is pretty interesting and a nice addition to the gallery section of the File Explorer. We also have more updates regarding the narrator. We have narrator natural voices in Spanish, Spain and Mexico. If you want to check more info about this, you'll have more information in the article below in the video's description. Also, Microsoft updated the network flyout on the lock screen to align with the Windows 11 design principles. We're going to have a screenshot to see how that looks. I think that is pretty nice. Regarding the File Explorer, we have a few other improvements. For example, Microsoft is beginning to roll out the ability to tear out and merge tabs in File Explorer. This feature is beginning to roll out, so not all insiders in the dev channel will see it right away, but this feature will basically let you tear out a tab, as I've said, and of course combine certain windows. I think this is pretty useful and pretty interesting. Also, great news, the gallery that is present in the File Explorer, which began rolling out with the build 23435, is now available for all Windows insiders in the dev channel. Great news. Now it is easier to control whether to use cellular when Wi-Fi is available but poor, using a new toggle which has been added to settings, network and internet, and cellular. Regarding new features and improvements, this is all there is to it. I don't know yet if we have any hidden features, but if so, I'm gonna make different videos in the coming days. Now let's talk about a few fixes. Regarding the File Explorer, they fixed an issue where pressing Shift plus F10 wasn't opening the context menu in the File Explorer. They also fixed an issue where access keys appeared inconsistently if no button was pressed. They also fixed an issue which was causing Explorer.exe to crash when opening the context menu for some insiders. The same issue is believed to be the cause of some insiders seeing an older design instead of the updated one. Regarding the gallery section, we have a lot of fixes. They fixed an Explorer.exe crash in the last flight related to loading and interacting with the scroll bar in gallery. Fixed an issue where gallery may require clicking twice on the node in the navigation pane for initial load. Fixed an issue where minimizing and reopening File Explorer would lose your scroll position in gallery. Hovering your mouse over pictures in gallery should now show a tooltip with information about the picture, which looks pretty nice. Live updates including filtering are now enabled and no longer require using the refresh button manually, and they also fixed an issue where some file types were not rendered correctly or permanently. Regarding the details pane, Microsoft made the background for thumbnails a little lighter in light mode so it doesn't stand out as much. If you have narrator running when you open the details pane, it should now announce the file name. If the setting to show file name extensions has been enabled, that will now be reflected in the details pane too. Regarding the taskbar, Microsoft fixed an issue that was causing the taskbar to get cut off when switching to and from the tablet optimized taskbar. And regarding the search on the taskbar, Microsoft fixed the issue causing insiders to see an empty tooltip displayed momentarily in certain cases, including while the gleam is covered if the new hover behavior for the search box and search highlight gleam is enabled. And we have another fix an issue where narrator with Braille support wasn't reading numbered list correctly in Microsoft 365 apps. So this is all there is to it in the latest dev channel build for the Windows Insider program. I think this is a pretty interesting build, and of course if you want to see more information, known issues and other things, you can check out the article below in the video's description. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to leave a like below and also subscribe to the TechBased channel with the notification bell activated so that you won't miss any future uploads like this one. I was Emmanuel from TechBased. Until next time, have a nice day.